Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to restoration on the headlight. Actually, I'm using the Sylvania restoration kit. They comes with the 3 sandpaper, which is like 400 grit, 1000, and then 2000 grit, and then comes with the surface activator, and then they comes with the UV coat. Okay, step 1, the surface activator, and then step 2 comes with the compound. Then it comes with the 400 grit sandpaper, 1000 grit sandpaper, and then 2000. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna put the masking tape around the headlight so we can protect the paint. Okay guys, so I put all the masking tape around the headlight so it won't scratch when I send it out. This is the water, so just spray the water and then clean the headlight first. Restoration kit I'm using is a Sylvania, so we're gonna apply the surface activator around the on the headlight, and then this is gonna be remove all the stain and everything. And then wait for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna clean it out, and look at all the stain coming up from the headlight. So I'm gonna use a 400 grit sandpaper. So you apply the water to the headlight first, and then on the sandpaper, and then circulation motion, but don't press too hard. And then you have to do this like about 2 to 5 minutes. Spray the water and then clean out. And then we're gonna use 1000 grit sandpaper. Apply water. Same thing as the first step. This one you can press like a medium. Okay, clean out. Okay, apply water on the headlight. This time we're gonna go with the 2000 sandpaper. 2000 grit sandpaper. Clean it. Bit of water on the headlight, and then we're gonna use a compound. Not too much. apply water and clean it out. Okay, so I'm gonna apply another surface activator. Wait for 30 seconds. Then spray the water and then clean it out. And then instruction says you have to remove the masking tape first, but I'm not gonna move a masking tape because you know, I don't want to be put the clear coat on my body of the car. So this one you have to do quick as possible, you know, apply it on the. Okay, so you have to let it dry for like an hour before you're touching it. Thank you for watching.